Today we have a different and special cruise deal for March of 2024. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today on this brand new cruise deal video. It's a special one because we have 3 different ships from 3 different cruise lines. Yes, it's a very different and very special cruise deal video for you folks. And we're also talking about 2 different locations where you're going to start your cruise from. We're going to talk about a couple of cruises that are going to start from the East Coast and 1 cruise from the West Coast. But before we get into the details of these cruise deals that I found for you, I would just like to thank everybody who has become a member of the Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for subscribing. It really does mean the world to us. And if you have not yet become a member of the Cruise Seekers community, think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on. This way, you get notified every single time we put out a brand new cruise deal or a brand new vlog or video or a tip about cruising. It's a great thing for you, and it really helps us understand exactly the kind of content that you love here out on YouTube. So think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. It really does mean the world to us. Thank you so much for doing it. And while you're down there, hit that like button. It really does help that YouTube algorithm. It will help other people find this video so that they can find a great cruise deal along with you and travel with you. So without further ado, let's talk about the ships and the itineraries that I found for you in this great cruise deal for March of 2024. The first ship we're going to talk about for this cruise deal for March of 2024 is on MSC, on the MSC Seashore. This cruise will be leaving out of Orlando, so it's a great opportunity to combine a wonderful cruise with a great family vacation in the Orlando area, going to Disney World or going to Universal Studios, SeaWorld, all those things. So like I said, out of Orlando, you're going to be leaving out of Port Canaveral here. And the date you'll be leaving Port Canaveral is March 3rd, 2024. From Port Canaveral, you will be going to MSC's special private island, Ocean Key. Or is it Ocean K? I don't know. A lot of people switch them back and forth. Some people call them K, some people call them Key, some people spell them K, some people spell it Key. It's a big mess. I don't know which way to pronounce it. I guess you could pronounce it either way. And then from Ocean Key, you'll be going to Mexico. You'll be going to Costa Maya and also Cozumel. And then finally, from Mexico, you'll be returning back to Orlando to Port Canaveral. Now, the MSC Seashore is a beautiful ship. I have a price here for you too that's going to include your drinks, your Wi-Fi, and your tips. You're also going to get some onboard credit too. But before we talk into the pricing, let's talk about the other ships that I have found for you for March of 2024. We're going to still stay here on the East Coast. We're going to still stay in Florida, and we're going to talk about a 6-night cruise on the Celebrity Reflection. Now, this cruise leaves out of Fort Lauderdale on March 10th, 2024. This cruise is going to do the typical 6-night reflection cruise, which is basically going to Cozumel, Grand Cayman, and Bimini. And I have some really good prices for people who are looking to save some serious money on inside cabins here. This inside cabin is a ridiculously low price. We're talking about the same price point as an MSC cruise. Now we're going to head over to the West Coast, and we're going to talk about a great deal that I found on Norwegian Cruise Lines, the Norwegian Bliss. This ship is going to be doing a Mexican Riviera cruise that is going to leave the port of Los Angeles on March 10th, 2024. Now, the Bliss is an absolutely beautiful ship. It is a Breakaway Plus ship. It's probably my favorite type of ship that you can find on NCL. I like it even better than the Prima class ships. And me being on the West Coast, I do love the Mexican Riviera. I do love going to Puerto Vallarta. I do love going to Cabo San Lucas. Even Mazatlan is a lot of fun for us. But this ship, not only is it going to those 3 ports, it's also going to Ensenada. Now, I can take it or leave it with Ensenada. I don't have to get off the ship. I can just basically use the ship as my resort when we go there. It's a great thing to do there. But there are a few cool places to kind of see in Ensenada. I actually like getting off the ship. There's a great little cantina not far from the cruise port. It's a fun place to go. So now that we know the 3 ships and the 3 itineraries and the 3 dates that we're going on, let's get into the pricing. Alrighty, so let's get into the pricing. The first piece of pricing I'm going to give you is for the MSC ship that we're going to be leaving out of Port Canaveral with. Now, forgive me if I'm not looking directly at the camera as I read out these prices. I want to make sure I get these as accurate as possible, and I'm going to be looking at my cheat sheet here. So let's first start talking about that MSC ship. We have a Yacht Club special deal going on here, folks. If you want to go on the Yacht Club and have a ship within a ship concept, it's a phenomenal price for a deluxe suite with a balcony. The price for the Yacht Club is $5,861, and you will also get $100 onboard credit, and that's everything included. All the premium elevations that you get in the Yacht Club, your tips included, everything soup to nuts. And as I said, it's for 2 people. If you're even contemplating a suite, this is such a great deal. It's probably one of the best deals out there that you will get for a suite with a ship-in-a-ship concept. You just can't touch it at this price point. The next deal we have is the Fantastica balconies on decks 9 and 10. And the price for those Fantastica balconies are $2,481. And you will also get $50 on board credit with that. And as I said before, this is including your Wi-Fi, your drinks package. You get the Easy Plus drink package with this, and you also have your tips included. So it's a pretty much an all-included price point. Now we're going to stay on the East Coast, and we're going to now talk about the celebrity deal that we have. Now, on the Reflection, we have 2 cabin categories that we're going to give you prices for. The first one is for Prime Concierge Class verandas. This is a price that includes your drinks, your Wi-Fi, and your tips. Now, remember, with the new changes with Celebrity, you need to book this before October 30th, 2024 in order to get your tips included at this price point. So just remember that Celebrity is changing how their all-included package works. With our group prices, we can protect you with tips included up until October 30th. So if you want to go on this, October 30th is your drop dead date. The price for those Prime Concierge verandas is $2,836.16, and you're going to get $250 on board credit. It's a great price point for a great cabin category, just a wonderful price. Now, if you were to go to the Celebrity website and book the same exact room with the same exact perk package with the same exact refundable deposit, the price would be $4,477.08 and $200 on board credit. So it's a great deal, a great savings. Now, the best deal on this ship is, believe it or not, the inside cabins. I have just 2 inside cabins left at this price point. So if you want a great price on a great ship and have a wonderful time at just a bonkers price, this is where you want to go. These inside Prime staterooms are $1,836.16, and you're going to get $150 on board credit. It's just a ridiculously great price, because if you were to go to the website, same room, same perk package, same refundable deposit, you're going to be paying $3,561.08, and you're only going to get $100 on board credit. So yeah, to see almost a $2,000 savings on an inside stateroom, it's almost unheard of, especially on a 6-night cruise. And with the value that you get from the all-included package with Celebrity, it's like they're giving you this room for free. So now let's go over to the West Coast. Let's talk about the Norwegian Bliss and the pricing that I have for this cruise. Now, this is for a BF balcony on the 9th deck. Unobstructed view, beautiful balcony. And this comes with the NCL free at sea program, as well as your gratuities prepaid. So again, I'm trying to give you a full price, soup to nuts, all included price with all of these deals. The other cool thing you have to remember with the NCL free at sea program, you will get 2 specialty dining experiences with this price point too. So that's another nice thing too. The one drawback with the NCL free at sea program versus the other 2 programs is your internet is only a minutes-based internet, but you know what? You're getting the 2 free specialty dining, so it kind of evens out in the wash. NCL also will offer you $50 off per shore excursion for your stateroom, so that's another great thing. Alrighty, so for the price on this NCL cruise in a BF balcony, the price is $2,861.32, and we will also give you $100 on board credit with this deal. So if you want to book one of these great cruises or get more information, the best way to do that is to give us a call at the number right there below. Extension 1 brings you to me, Rob. Extension 2 brings you to my wife, Cheryl. You'll be taken care of by us with our signature service. Now, if you don't want to give us a call, but you want more information, I will leave a link in the description below. Click that link, fill out the form, let us know exactly which ship you are looking at and which ship you want more information, and we will get right back to you. Now, if you're just watching this video in your living room on your couch and you don't have access to a keyboard or mouse, you can just scan this QR code. That will bring you to the same form, fill it out on your phone, and we will get right back to you just the same way. So there you go, folks. That's our special cruise deal for March 2024. A lot of people have been asking, hey, Rob, do you have any other cruise deals other than Royal Caribbean and Celebrity? And yeah, we do. I just showed you. So if you want any more information, you now know how to get in contact with us. Please let us know exactly how we can help you. If you loved this video, hey, give it a big thumbs up. We do really appreciate those thumbs up. It helps other people find this video out on YouTube so that they can get a great cruise deal as well. If you need any more information about these ships, leave a comment down below. We love comments. We always engage. If you've ever been on one of these ships before, let us know in the comment section below. Let us know what you thought about them. And one more time, if you have not become a member of the Cruise Seekers community, think about subscribing, turn that notification bell on. This way you get notified every single time we put out brand new cruise deals or a brand new video about cruising. It is so appreciated by us, and thank you so much for doing that. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.